Welcome back to my food channel, where I show you how to make very simple, delicious dishes that anybody could do. So, let's get started. These are your basic ingredients you're going to need in making a delicious, simple hummus. Olive oil, lemon, sweet corn. Today I'm using sweet corn. Chicken peas from the can, but you can use it fresh from the bag. And adobo. Adobo has salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. And you can use peanut butter flatbread. Today I'm using flatbread as a side dish together with hummus. I'm going to put these ingredients together and make a delicious hummus. So let's get started. I'm going to add 15 ounces of chickpeas into the blender. 15 ounces of corn. 1 lemon, it's freshly squeezed. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of adobo, which has salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. And I'm going to add the water that was inside the chickpeas. See how thick it came out? As you can see, it came out nice and thick. Now if you want it thicker than this, you could add more chickpeas to it. And I just want to remind you, you don't have to add corn. You could add avocados, you could add spinach. You could make the hummus your own, but this is how I'm doing it today. And here you got it, the delicious hummus recipe. Today I'm serving it with flatbread. You could eat it with pita bread. Put a little bit on your pita bread. Doesn't that look good? And that's it. That's how you eat it. I put a little oregano on top, and it's delicious. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and until next time.